Hi, I'm Oliver Naidu, Managing Director of JC Auditors. We have a team of passionate individuals that do various certifications in various sectors and industries. We have a team that does road transport management, medical devices, fusion welding, food safety, and various other industries where we help and enable our clients to have systems and a framework that can enable them to achieve international certifications. We are proud to say that we are the one body that offers a comprehensive solution to most of the major ISO certifications one can require. This includes publication on the IAF database, which ensures you have credibility on a global platform to validate that your business is credible and that you are in fact a sustainable business that can be able to deliver on various client expectations. And our systems are designed to be as efficient as possible. So we kind of demystify the certification process, we add in practicalities, and we add in simplicity that takes away the complexities often that you find is around certification. We have a team that allows us to do work within South Africa, Namibia, Botswana, and other countries in the region. And so we not only offer a complete range of certification, but we offer our services in various geographical locations. And that, we believe, is what sets us apart, in addition to our very client-centric approach that delivers value at the end of the day. Certainly appreciate you contacting us if you have any needs around ISO certification or other related training or development services. Thank you.